Hi! Looking for a ready-for-move-in house na swak sa malaking pamilya? Ito na ang hinihintay mo. For sale na ang Briana Inner Lot, isang single-attached home located sa Barangay Pasong Camachile, General Trias, Cavite. At ang maganda, move-in ka agad after signing of LOG. Hindi mo na kailangang maghintay ng matagal. Lipat bahay agad. Walang hassle. Ang Briana Modified Single Attached ay ideal para sa mga families na gusto ng mas maluwag at maaliwalas na bahay. Price, 9.2 million. Pero all-in na ito. Kasama na ang title transfer cost, kasama na rin ang capital gains tax. So no worries na sa additional bayarin. Fix and clear ang presyo. Now, check out ang features ng bahay na to. 4 bedrooms para sa bawat miyembro ng pamilya. 3 toilet and bath, hindi na kailangang mag-agawan. 1 to 2 car garage, may space ka pa kahit may bisita. Fully tiled, hindi mo na kailangang magpa-renovate. Maluwag na living at dining area, perfect for family bonding. With family area, bonus space for entertainment, study, or relaxation. 100 square meter lot area, 120 square meter floor area. At dahil single attached, mas presko, may sariling gilid at may mas magandang layout. Located sa Barangay Pasong Camachile, General Trias, Cavite. Isang prime location, malapit sa schools, malls, hospitals, groceries at major roads. General Trias is one of the fastest developing areas sa Cavite ngayon. So kung gusto mo ng secured, peaceful at accessible na community, Briana is the perfect choice for you. Flexible din ang payment options. Option 1, spot cash, kung gusto mo ng mabilisang turnover. Option 2, bank financing, 20% spot down payment, pwedeng 2 gives para hindi mabigat. 80% via bank loan. Don't worry, kung first time mo mag-loan, we offer free assistance mula simula hanggang approval. Tutulungan ka namin sa buong process. Wala kang iintindihin. Libre ang house tour, pwede mong makita personally kung gaano kaganda ang unit. Inner lots like this are very limited. A fully finished 4-bedroom house in a prime Cavite location, ready for move-in agad? Saan ka pa makakahanap ng ganyan? Na 9.2 million all-in na. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, wag mo na tong palagpasin. Message us now for free house viewing or inquiries.